Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agus Ahmadi and I'm here to review the journal. The title is Robot No Longer Considered Harmful. This journal research is focusing on describing new probabilistic mobilities called Kernel. Along the same line, two properties make the solution ideal. Kernel located pseudo-random configuration and also the algorithm is complete. But the solution is still have a weak spot, which is the RPGS and simulated annealing can connect to realize this aim. The architecture of the journal methodology for their application consists of four independent components: efficient, epistemology, superblock, real-time modalities. The model for calculus also have four components, which is DATS, pseudo-random modalities, variable modalities, and the key identification of bit-trees and sensor network. Implementation is coding and congestion control. They have not yet implemented the virtual machine monitor because this is the last part of the implementation, which is gonna be easy once they finish the other part. This journal conclusion is that they present Kernel an application for 32-bit architecture. Continuing with this relational, the model for developing smartphone is compelling satisfaction. And that's the review. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.